Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL 403 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and I hope that you can see the green lines. I've applied them before I've started recording. It is because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear. All we have to do right now is to enter the settings, which are in the left upper corner, so let's tap on them and then simply scroll down to the very bottom to tap on Reset Settings. Now let's tap on Reset. And as you can see here, we've got the very first evidence that the reset option worked, because we have to either allow the camera to access the location or not. So this is basically the very first thing you have to manage whenever you're opening the camera for the very first time. And we've got also the camera without the green lines, which means that we just successfully reset the settings. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.